Okay, so I'm trying to turn this into a diner. So my idea is to make a bar. So I made this bar right here out of some scrap wood. That's going to be the bar. And then I made some bar stools right here. And I used little tacks. I used little tacks with little magnets, and I epoxy glued them together, as you can see right there. Okay, to cut these to size, these tacks, what I've done is I drilled a hole through a piece of scrap wood and then stuck the tack through that piece of wood. And I'll hold it firmly in place and then snap off the excess with some wire snips. So that'll give me a consistent length for all my bar stools. Okay, let's take a look at the progress of my diner. I'm very happy with it. You can see in there I got 7 stools, a guy sitting at the bar there. You got a couple who's been drinking, and they are, looks like they're kissing right now. And then you get the bartender, looks like he has drinks in his hands. Obviously the owner is an Eagle fan. It's actually supposed to say Eagles, but I ran out of room. Philadelphia Eagles, that is. And then I got Cola sign there. He must be a skier because he has some skis up on the wall. All right, that's my progress. Right now I'm gonna do another concrete pour. This establishment needs new sidewalk, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. Okay, so this is where I'm at right now. And you see the light block is now attached on top of my diner slash bar. And on the top here, it's going to be the title of the bar, which I don't know yet. So I'll be working on that next. But let me turn the lights on here. I like it. Looks good. All right, I'll be trying to finish this up this week. But thanks for watching, guys.